Coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. Hit that subscribe button and don't let me have nothing.
Rush-Dem Rushawn.
Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn, coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. If for the first time you see my channel, if for the first time you visit, you know, welcome one and all. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn. I hope you enjoy yourself right now. How you doing? Anyways, if for the first time you're there, I want you to go ahead and hit that like button for me there, please. Yeah man, like the video. Tap. It really helps the video, you know, when you like it and them stuff there. And before you're gonna further hit that subscribe button. So for this week vlog video, the rain a fall. We have a lot of stuff planned for this week, but you know, it's been a rain all week. I don't know where that video I go. But basically what me I go do is call my best friend and go and mess with her as usual. You know, enjoy the show.
What do I owe this pleasure?
What that's supposed to mean?
You never call me one on time at this time.
You lie and wicked, I'm not call you since week running time, yeah.
No, sir, you call me 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, but not this time in a while.
But you can't just appreciate the call like a normal human being.
You know, you just hear me say, what do I owe to this pleasure?
Everybody calm down, you don't feel get angry.
How do you get angry? I
Like,
just say something to call it pleasure.
but yeah, well, the attitude for though.
No attitude, and I say, what do I owe to this pleasure? And then you have to get mad from me, so I get mad back from you.
I get mad here, I'm very calm right
Come
now.
on, look how long, don't do that, cause now you tell me, look how long I call you that, and I get mad.
Man, you always tell lie for me, that's why, so.
I don't
Me have to
tell
defend
lies, I tell the
myself.
truth.
What kind of truth?
They always tell the truth, you just don't like the answer.
Relax yourself over there, man. Relax yourself. Calm
I'm
down.
relaxed.
Calm down, bounty killer.
Okay, ninja man. You call it the right time.
I call it the right time.
Yeah, me need your help.
Nah, boy.
Wait, why you have to say it like that?
I mean, yeah, you need my help.
You should be. It's already gone, man.
You need my help. What you need my help with?
Don't do that, cause you already said, oh boy.
Oh, you over there go out?
I watch YouTube.
YouTube? Am I video you watch?
No,
Why you not watch my video, Taletha?
I was catching up on another video.
What?
I was catching up on another video.
So I'm to my video.
You didn't watch your video.
You don't watch my video, you know?
You watch your video, Rush. But I was catching up on our next video.
I'm to the playlist I'm sending.
What's wrong with it?
You don't watch them?
Who tell you to gonna watch them?
When last you watch it, like
I watch your video all the time now, Rush.
you not support the thing from where they are and
How I don't know how to support it. I'm one of the people that will give it a 30 something views. When you watch my videos, Rush?
The last time you post it, I don't watch it.
When?
Yeah, no matter about when. Just know somebody do it.
The last time you watched my videos when I posted it up, that's true.
Don't worry about all of that.
Yeah.
Me I talk about my video them. The last time you post a video was 2 weeks ago.
And have you been rewatching the stuff then?
You have like one video on your channel.
Just lie you tell yourself. Just lie you tell yourself.
You have one video on the channel.
I don't have one video, I have 5 episodes. Did you watch all 5 videos?
Of course I watch all 5 of them.
I watch your videos more than you watch mine.
Because you know nothing on your channel, you only have one video.
You know some have more than one video, Rush.
Like me for just I watch the same 5 video them over and over and over.
I know you just asked me to do the same thing.
Oh, what did I eat, man?
You literally just asked me to do the same thing with your 23 videos.
We never tell you that.
You never remember nothing with your selective memory cells.
Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn. Coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video.
Come for me, fool. Come on. I have a look. What you just do?
For this week vlog video.
Rush, what you just do?
For this
Rush,
week.
what the hell you just do?
For this week vlog video.
Rush, what did you just do?
My life on
Rush,
YouTube right now.
Rush, don't play them games with me.
My life on YouTube right now.
Rush, you're not live on no YouTube. Don't do that to me. Don't let this up on YouTube, you know?
You're not gonna do that. Yeah, you're afraid.
Not at this moment.
For this week vlog video.
Rush your backside, but there's no this week vlog video. Cancel. Blank it out.
For this
And
week.
start again.
For this
There's
week
no
vlog.
stop the introduction. There's no introduction, Rush. Stop it.
For this week vlog video.
There's no this
But
week
basically I talk to. Alright, then we'll start over.
There's no start over because I did not sign up for this.
But never tell us how we are going to do this. At the year idea. Remember?
You know me? That means you're supposed to, milk, we are going to do this right now. And I'm like, okay, me ready myself. But no, you don't do that. You're not recording anything.
I'm tell you something, you like record.
Send me a picture.
I'm sure you send me a record.
You're not recording anything.
I'm good sure it's a me a record right now. Yeah, look.
Hold on. We're gone.
Alright, we're gonna stop record. We're gonna stop record.
We're gone.
We're gonna stop record.
Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos down below on the left. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the right.